Now let's try to recreate a coloring page. I have one here. It's a Miffy style coloring page. Actually, I've got some customers who asked particularly about this style. The trick here is that Midjourney, it's just a small spoiler, it can't create images that simple. You see here thick lines, very limited areas for coloring. Midjourney is more abstract, and sometimes, it can create multiple characters when we ask only for one, but it doesn't actually matter. And also Midjourney goes too much into detail sometimes. So this is a good example of an image which can be recreated. For example, these are not bad actually, but Midjourney is just not the best tool. Okay, from these I'd say that this is not valid, this is way too detailed, this is more or less okay, and these are also nice. So let's see. I like this prompt, and my secret weapon here is ideogram, because I'd say that this tool is much better with simple forms, with vector-like designs, and so on. This is also not a bad prompt, so I'll use this one as well. In ideogram, I use design model to recreate these images. Let's see what it makes. And especially with this design model, it will tend to make images more simple. As you see, it fits much better. If you are like me and you use multiple AI image creation tools, you will understand which tool is better for creating this type of images. What I'd like to point out here is that the prompt from Midjourney works totally fine with other AIs, because as you see, each AI has its prompt enhancing or magic prompt inbuilt into it. So it transforms a bit your prompt into the prompt that fits to this AI tool. So don't worry, you can use the prompts from Midjourney in other AIs. Also, which is a nice and interesting thing, is that ideogram also has a describe feature, but as I think it's not as good as Midjourney's, and we'll see it in a while. Because Midjourney has a much bigger database of persons, of styles, and of all this stuff. For example, Midjourney immediately understood that we're talking about this Miffy, and you see she's in the prompts. But ideogram, if we tell if we tell it that it's Miffy, it will draw it. But on his own, you see, it's just a rabbit. So I'd say that Midjourney Describe model is best of all the other AIs, and it also suits other AIs when you use the prompt. This is the lesson, a small lesson that we learned when we tried making coloring pages with Describe.